Seeing some of the final pleas and some of the final amendments that they had to get in there. Again, Governor John Bel Edwards will soon step to the podium at the state capitol to officially talk about this year's state budget. But until then, we will continue in this week's Uniquely Baton Rouge. Fox 44's Jaron Jordan takes a look at mass incarceration here in our state and some of the young people in the capital city working to create a system that is equal for everyone.
The rate and the number of wrongful convictions is reflective of the number of Black men also serving life sentences in Louisiana.
G. Park with the Innocence Project New Orleans says American institutions that are responsible for upholding justice are being overburdened, contributing to mass incarceration across the state.
In the past 19 years, we were found in 2001, we have freed or exonerated 36 individuals who have served collectively more than 873 years in prison.
One of them was Baton Rouge's own Archie Williams, sentenced to life in prison and locked up at Angola for more than 36 years. Only to be exonerated last year through DNA evidence.
We see that most of our clients received really cursory process through the system. Because the public defender system is so underfunded, and because all of our clients were poor, we see in the transcripts, in the trial files, the lack of resources that was available to the defense counsel to effectively put on a defense.
It's a reality Marshall Thomas sees every day.
It's an intense experience to walk into the jail and talk to, your fellow Black man who is the same age as you, the same skin color as you, and you can really think, there but for the grace of God go I.
As an EBR public defender, Thomas represents clients who typically can't afford their own defense.
It's meaningful to me to be an attorney who can sort of speak to some of our clients on the same level as them and try to understand who they are as people.
But like public defenders across the country, Thomas says on top of disparities in Louisiana, his office is often representing a disproportionate number of cases with little to no equal funding.
If people understood what was going on, more people would really care about it.
Sarah Ashley Messina has worked in the EBR Public Defender's Office since 2015, first as a law clerk, then an investigator, now as an attorney.
Our funding comes mostly off the backs of our clients. So our indigent clients who are innocent until proven guilty, haven't been convicted of a crime, they're the ones that mostly fund this office.
While not accounting for the whole of their individual budgets, Messina says the EBR City Parish budget illustrates the disparity when it comes to funding public defense versus criminal prosecution. This year, local government allocated $250,000 to the Public Defender's Office compared to $7 million allocated to the EBR District Attorney's Office.
There is no justice. There is a legal process. But in terms of equitable justice, I haven't seen it played out in mass, especially not in this city.
Ashley White works with the Bail Project, a national organization working to address mass incarceration through the lens of the cash bail system.
You're not able to consult with your attorneys. You're not able to be in your community with people that support you. If you have other mental health or substance abuse issues, you're not receiving treatment. If you have medical conditions, you're not getting adequate medical care. And so you're totally disrupting someone's life pre-trial before they've ever been convicted of anything. And so this system needs to be disrupted because it will continue to perpetuate more inequalities if we don't stop it.
Learn about what's actually going on so that you can decide whether or not it makes you mad. Because I think right now people imagine something being the way it's supposed to be, and the reality is that it's not.
While many of the issues this new generation of young advocates are tackling run generations deep, they say the action people take now will ensure generations to come are more fair and free.
When we have a city and a parish like that where people are healthy, where people are thriving, then the jail, the prisons, the other systems, we're not going to need those things anymore. And that's the hope.